My daiquiri in El Floridita, Ernest Hemingway's own words. Meet the Papa Doble, his personal daiquiri born in 1930s Havana. 5 ingredients: light gold rum, pink grapefruit juice, fresh lime juice, maraschino liqueur, and a touch of sugar syrup. Start with 3.5 ounces of light gold rum, aged 1 to 3 years. Havana Club is the authentic Cuban choice, exactly what Papa would have been served. Bacardi Gold is the reliable everyday swap. Add 3/4 of an ounce of maraschino liqueur. Luxardo is the gold standard. Cherry sweet, nutty, unmistakable. Nothing else hits quite the same. Pour in 1 ounce of fresh pink grapefruit juice. This is what separates the Papa Doble from every other daiquiri. Fresh squeezed is non-negotiable. Add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice and 1/2 ounce of sugar syrup. Shake everything vigorously with ice and fine strain into a pre-chilled martini glass. Garnish with a maraschino cherry. Legend has it Hemingway once drank 16 of these in a single sitting at El Floridita. You might want to pace yourself. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.